Forget planting flags on the moon. This space race is about cash. Private companies, unbelievable profits. Welcome to the real final frontier. In the 1960s, it was governments versus governments, all about national pride. Today, it's SpaceX leading the private space push, Blue Origin, competing with reusable rockets and tech. China, massive government-backed programs and growing launch capacity. Over 100 private companies chasing niches and startups, all in for a shot at a $1.8 trillion economy by 2035. We're talking asteroid mining, extracting metals from near-Earth rocks, Mars colonies, habitats, terraforming talk, and long-term settlement plans. Satellite internet covering the whole planet, global broadband from orbit. Launch costs down 90% since 2000, making space more crowded. So what do you think? Will SpaceX take it all? Or is the real winner still a secret? Let me know in the comments.